Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the sheet and verifying edit access. This ensures you can export. Next, choose export formats, CSV for raw data or XLSX for formulas and formatting, because format affects later restores. Once decided, create a local backup folder with a clear naming pattern, like project name YIMD, to avoid confusion. Then, immediately download the current tab using File Download and pick your format, so you capture the live state before making further changes. Once you have a manual export, automate to reduce manual errors. Write a simple Google Apps script that iterates tabs and saves CSV or XLSX copies to a backup drive folder on a schedule. This preserves each sheet's content and timestamps. Make sure to zip multi-tab exports if you want a single file. Also, configure a retention policy. Keep daily for 2 weeks, weekly for 3 months, because retention controls storage and makes rollbacks predictable when you need them. You finish the process by verifying backups and rehearsing restores. This is crucial. Open a saved file to confirm data integrity and that formulas or formatting survived the export. If not, adjust format choices. Then, test a restore by importing a backup into a copy of the sheet so you know the exact steps to recover. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting permissions and format mismatches first. Those are the most common causes of failed restores, and they're quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.